Hi, this is Advait, a part-time trader. I trade mainly futures e-mini. I'm here to show you how to test a strategy and how to set it up to run in a testing account. So here is some in my strategy analyzer, and I'm gonna check this, test this strategy. I shared with my team. Okay, strategy. That's my strategy. Strategy Eagle Eye River Scalper. Here it is. So just for the risk management, I want to take only one contract by trade. My daily loss maximum is 300. My daily profit is 200 at the moment. I'm gonna just change it to 460, which is good. And this is the daily trade count limit. So how many trades I want to take per day? I'm gonna just put it in 5. You can change it later or adapt it how many trades you want to take per day. My profit target takes is 29, and my stop loss takes 29. And I'm using the EMEA kind of a fast one and the slow one 50 and 20. Those I'll just leave as they are. For the minutes, I'm kind of working in a 15 minutes time frame. For the instrument, but I just found this you can test them for all the futures at once. So if you go to futures here and select all, this is will back test the strategy in all the instruments, all futures instruments. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just kind of test it just for this month because it's much faster for me. You can change this to 20, for example, if you want to. I'm gonna just leave it for this month now. It's kind of today is the 12th. It's kind of less than 2 weeks, just to see how it is. And this is for illustration only. So include the commission. I'll include it here, and I always use unique entries. So let's say here you can save it as a template if you want, or you can just run it straight. So I'll just run it here now. Let's see which result we get for this, like probably 10 days. How many days this week? So it's the 12th. So it's just like 11. So 3 days and 5 days. So it's 8 days basically trades. Let's see the performance here. Oh, okay, this is the results. So you can see I sort them by sharp ratio. You can see, for example, ZB instrument is took only 2 trades and it's a zero maximum drawdown and got 2 kind of profitable trades, which is good. If we go slow there. So this is the combined result between all the instruments is 2,266 for 80 days. That's, I think it's a good profit. So as you can see here, like there are like difference of performance per instrument. So you can see ES here, we got like £300 here. We got only 2, so 50% kind of percent profitability, but it's kind of still a good sharp ratio, 9.34. Like if you check the maximum drawdown, 60 to 50, that's really low. So you are like safe to trade this one. Okay, we will go on to how to set it up to trade. Okay, let's go to our control center in NinjaTrader. So let's go to strategies. And here, right click on your mouse and click new strategy. And let's find our strategy here, Eagle Eye River Scalper here. So let's set it up, one contract per trade. My daily loss limit is 300, and the daily profit limit, I'm gonna put that up to 460. And the daily trade count limit, I want to have only 5 trades taken per day. I'm gonna leave the profit target as 29 ticks and the loss 29 ticks. The EMEA 50 and EMEA 2, which is the slower one, is 20. And I'm gonna leave my time frame as 15 minutes. And for the instrument, I'm gonna use all the future ones. So I'll go to futures and select all. So it's all there. So I wanna test all of them at once. And the account, I created a sim account, which is a testing account for just particularly for this strategy. Just called it same strategy eagle eye river scalper. And for start behavior, for this I set it as wait until flat and then synchronize the account. I tried it with normal ones, just immediately submit, but sometimes the strategy doesn't really calculate the historical data. Just kind of immediately can act and trigger a trade, which sometimes is not advisable. So we just go always for wait until flat and synchronize the account first to check the take profit and the daily loss and the daily profit limit. And for entry handling, unique entries, yeah, that's all I need for now. You can either save the template or, and so it would be same template next time. For me, it's like I'll just save it as a default. You don't need to do that. So I'm gonna click OK, and then we will see all those strategies on the testing accounts have been created for each instrument in futures. Just this one, FDAX, it doesn't work for me. I'm going to just remove it. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. Anyway, this is kind of just illustration. So probably you need only NQ and ES and probably CL and JC. But just for now, this is just for testing. So I try to test in all the instruments and see the performance for each instrument, and then from there I can judge which instrument I want to trade using this strategy. So for now, I used kind of almost all of them except one. Anyway, if you highlight them and you right click on your mouse and then enable them, so they're enabled now here. So they would be running in the background and we can see what happened. Okay, that's all from me.